Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, we'll work on a 2018 Kia Sportage. And exactly this car has a code malfunction into the rear right speed sensor, which is the also wheel hub. It got 3 codes on the dashboard, the blind spot, the traction, and one more. I'll put it below, of course, and also in the description. All that is because of the speed sensor is bad. So today we will figure out what is the cause, the problem, and I got also a brand new wheel hub with the speed sensor in it, and we'll replace that. Let's go ahead and start the process. To do that, we'll need a 21mm and remove the rear right wheel. So here we go, and we got our wheel off. And here you can find right away the connector in the back for the speed sensor. So you go ahead and take this off and first see if the connection is tight, just like that. There's a little metal pin clip that has to be pushed in so it releases the safety, and this way you kind of remove it. So to me, it looks like the connector is intact and it doesn't have any damage. Inside is as well is good. So yeah, our problem is definitely into the right here. If you can see it, yeah, that's the wheel hub, and we got 4 bolts. So to the bottom and they're all inside. So you got 4 bolts, 2 bottom, 2 up. To do that is you gotta remove the brakes, remove the rotor, and remove the wheel hub. Let's go ahead and do that. So what you want to do is you want to release a little bit of tension off the brake pads, then remove the caliper, remove the bracket. Caliper bracket right here has another 2 bolts. It look to me it's 14mm, and then we'll need a gun with the Phillips. Make sure you knock a little bit on it and try to release the tension, and take these 2 bolts and the whole rotor will come out. adjust. And just like that, guys, we got the speed sensor out. It has a little bit of noise inside, and I'm pretty sure inside right here it's done. The speed sensor is probably rusty, so most of the time water gets inside and it gets really bad. So let me show you how it's closer. Just like that. This thing, remember, it goes just like this too. It's only one position. Of course, before installing this part, unwrap it out of the box and put them next to each other and make sure every bolt, screw, hole, and of course speed sensor matches with your original part. Before installing, sometimes they might match. I mean, they will fit, but they are not the same, so that will save you a lot of time. After you make sure everything is good, then you're good to go to install it. Alright guys, so here you go. You can see they're tied up. It's pretty straight, everything is tight. Mentioning something, so when you place the bolts, you want to always place top, bottom in a cross. Top, bottom, and then when you tie it, you start here, then you go next here, then you go here, and then here. Same what you do with the lug nuts on your wheel. This way you make sure everything is aligning while you're tightening it up. Now, same scenario as we did remove. We're putting now back the rotor. You are aligning this and this with these little holes for the bolts. So I believe it's going to be this way, just like that. You see? Here we go. Yep, that's right. Here too. Then 2 little bolts. Sure, this is actually a very easy job. You'll be manageable to be done in your little garage. You don't need much space, or your driveway. You need a jack stand and a really good jack too, and this is pretty much manageable. All right. Next will be the of course the caliper bracket. It goes just like that. I need both hands. Let me put the camera back on the stand. $14mm to tie this all up. Next, we got the actual caliper. Another two 14mm bolts. Now, once we have everything installed, you're gonna go and check, of course, each bolt. Most of this job is done with 14mm. We got two 14mm for the caliper, two 14mm for the caliper bracket, and then we had four 14mm for actual wheel hub. Then we got two bolts on the Phillips, and all these lug nuts are on 21mm. That's it. There's nothing else to be touched. And then the last part of this job is to install the actual connector. Just like this. It's actually very easy to put it back. Don't over push or something. You just hear that click and it's good to go. We're mostly done. We're good to put the wheel on, and I'm pretty sure we can take the car on the road and give it a try. And of course, we're gonna need a scanner to reset the whole system, especially with the traction, but that's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure we will be able to drive it right away, and this is actually a very easy job. Here we go. Just start the car. We do have airbag light on. It's because of the occupancy module here. It's not calibrated. I did remove the seats, so I gotta work on that. But so far, it's weird. This car has 44,000 miles, and the speed sensor and wheel hub is bad. Very strange. But here we go. There was no need to install the scanner and reset the system. I just started on, and I drove it about 2 minutes, and the lights went off. Alright guys, so here is the car behind me. It was a very actually easy job. It took me about 20 to 25 minutes to do this. If you need help and you have any questions, comment below. I'll be very happy to help you out. If you're first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, thumbs up. That was Mechanic Mode, and see you next time.